In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a trifold brochure on Google Docs. So if you're interested in knowing this, then keep on watching. Okay, in order to make a trifold brochure, you need to make certain changes. First of all, you need to reduce the font size. As you can see that right now the font size of my paragraph text is 14. So what I would do is that first of all I will highlight all the text excluding my heading, the main heading, and I will reduce this font to 10. This is the first step. The second thing that you need to reduce the margins, and for that you need to go to the page setup, and in the page setup if your margin unit is centimeters, you would generally see 2.54 by default for all top, bottom, left and right, and if it is in inches you would see 1 inches everywhere. I would recommend that you make this 1 centimeter for all, so that you have enough space available within the page in order to make 3 columns or 3 folds of the. Okay, now it is 1 centimeter in towards the left, right and top and bottom. Let me show you the print preview before I change it to the 3 columns. Now this is the text which we can see in a print preview, and now in order to make 3 columns of this, you just need to go to the format and you need to come to columns, and from here by default is single column, then you have 2 columns, and from here you can select 3 columns. Let me do it again. Now while it is converted into 3 columns text, but there is a lot of space in between the each column, so I need to reduce this. For that you need to go back again to the format, columns, and then you need to click more options, and over here as you can see that we have selected 3 columns, but we want to reduce this spacing between each column also to 1, and now you can see that it is looking a little better. Let me show you the print preview and you will enjoy the beauty of this page. Now you can see that it seems like a newspaper, or it is actually a trifold brochures on Google Docs. This is what at least I have understood it, but if you're looking for something else, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to make a video on that also. If you want to see more Google Docs tutorials, we have a huge list of short and quick tutorials on this software, and it would be displayed in the end screen card and would be available in a first link in the description below. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.